FullView display, high screen-to-body ratio, and 2160 by 1080 FHD plus resolution. Honor 7X packs a 5.93-inch screen in an incredibly sleek, compact. The Honor 7X's 18:9 screen provides more real estate than a traditional 16:9 screen. The one-key screen split function offers an even faster multi-management experience. The classic metal design of the Honor 7X is a delight to hold, with its perfectly rounded edge. The 2.5D glass face flows seamlessly into the aluminum chassis. The dual-lens rear camera captures life's magical moments in the highest definition. The all-new portrait mode lets you capture in a single shot. Gesture control function and 8-megapixel front camera features an effects function, helping your selfies stand out on social media. Guaranteed fast performance with the 4GB RAM, 2.36 GHz octa-core Kirin 659 NEM UI 5.1. A single charge for a full day. Ultra power saving mode extends your charge even longer. Phone Clone app makes the migration of data to your new Honor 7X a piece of cake. With just a single scan of a QR code, all your data will be seamlessly transferred from your old device.